In this video, we are going to tell you some uncommon methods that work to make yourself vomit. Before starting, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to get more videos like this. Let's start quickly. Warm salt water. Add a teaspoon or 2 of salt to a glass of water. Consume this saline solution in a single gulp. This takes 25 to 30 minutes and you can use your finger to speed up the process. Salt contains sodium, too much of which can cause a shift in the natural electrolyte balance of your body, thereby inducing you to expel the water. Coca Cola. Drinking Coca Cola that has run out of bubbles or carbon dioxide can make you vomit. All you need to do is drink water as a follow-up after drinking Coca Cola to trigger vomiting. Coca Cola that is just opened may actually be helpful in treating an upset stomach, but if it has run out of gas, it is totally a different story. Coca Cola has high sugar content and your body cannot stand it. This causes it, along with other irritants, to be removed from your system. Baking soda. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and gulp it down. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate has been used to induce vomiting. One of the many side effects of consuming too much sodium carbonate is nausea and vomiting. Which method works best for you? We love to read your reviews in comments. This was all for now. For more videos and updates, subscribe to Healthy Primix and ring the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.